Hi guys, so this week in Lorraine's lesson we were looking at body parts, which I found really interesting. It's like we were looking at going with improvisational body parts, like you could follow your hand and like see where it took you. I really found that my own body was motivation with this because, well, if my hand was going that way, it wants to go down, like naturally. I just follow it and then see where it takes you. We also did a lot of work about like using our bodies, different parts, following different body parts, like not just following simple things like your hand, following like your chest and your nose, even your eyebrow. You could follow any body part, which I found really, really interesting. We read another part of the book which only really came into my mind properly when I understood it because we did it in lesson, which really, it makes sense. It makes a lot more sense now. And in Paul's lesson, we were chimpanzees. Again, we covered the Laban efforts, and we basically had to be improvisations of chimpanzees. And it was quite difficult at first, and I did feel a little bit silly. But during these lessons, you just kind of have to go with it, just like, screw it, let's do this. And that's what I did, and I was eventually able to relax into it and become a chimpanzee. Not a real one, just an acted one. And I really think that in the future these improvisations might really help me because of the amount of strange things that you get asked to do these days and weeks by directors and things like that. Yeah, I feel like I know the Laban efforts a lot more now, and it's really helped me. That's what I've done this week.